Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I will show you how to hide subscribers count in your YouTube channel. So here I show the steps within 2 minutes. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your YouTube channel account and then go to video manager section. But my suggestion is always you can use YouTube Studio's classic version because this is portable one to locate these settings. So just click to access create a studio classic and it is located at the left side. So finally my classic version is ready to use. So here you can select channel section. Now in this channel section you can go to advanced settings and it is placed under the same channel section. So here it shows me some account related informations, but you can scroll down and then go to the bottom. But this option is located under the subscribers count section. So in this section it has two options, but you can select do not display the number of people subscribed to my channel and the second one, and then click to save all the changes. So once you done this process, so also you can check it by accessing the Google Chrome as incognito mode and access that YouTube website and then search your YouTube channel name. In search result, it does not show your subscriber count. But due to the time consumption, I did not show the particular steps. So don't worry about it. So this is the way you can easily hide your subscriber count in your YouTube channel. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel, Techans. And thanks for watching.